Welcome everyone. Bobby Two Pops Breaks. Whoops, did I load my qualifiers there? Yes, I did. Okay. Bobby Two Pops Breaks on Friday. It is March the 12th. We are breaking bomb box full-size helmets. We randomed up our 40 remaining boxes out of the initial 44. We got number 44. We did random teams for it on the left. We've already randomized teams and customers, alphabetized everybody, gave them a chance to trade. Actually did have a couple offers, but I'm not seeing any kind of responses. Are you interested in Green Bay or KC for Miami, Joe? iBreak had offered Green Bay or KC for Miami if you're interested there. Sorry, Joe just hit the room there. I had tagged him, let him know the break was going on. Just wanted to give him a chance to reply to the trade offers for a second. All right, I'm not hearing anything from Joe there. All right, there you go. All right, so sorry I break. Joe's going to keep Miami. All right, folks, here we go. That is going to officially ramp up trading. Let me just check YouTube one last time real quick. All right, here we go. Well, guys, we hit solid in our two boxes tonight. Didn't get any, like, gigantic monsters, but both very solid hits, at least. That is going to be another Hydro F7. This sucker was hiding for a while there, guys. Bam! Going to be the Dan Hampton. Has the Super Bowl champs inscription on it as well. Hydro F7 Beckett sticker and card right there for you. Really nice Dan Hampton for the Chicago spot, everybody. Who has a Chicago? Ouch. I'm sorry, everybody else, but that is going to be an iBreak hit there. I'm very sorry, everybody else. All right, we're going to do our qualifier. Very nice hit for you, iBreak there. Thanks for helping us get that filled, folks. I do appreciate it. Again, if anybody does want to keep for tomorrow, the guys who are on the board right now, I'll even give you an extra $1 off. So if you want to keep, it's only 18, folks. So it's only 18 if you do want to keep for tomorrow. I really do appreciate you helping us get that broke tonight. So I'll give you guys even an extra $1 off the early line price. So if you do want to keep, guys, it's only 18. All right, so that's it. iBreak. These will go out tomorrow as well, folks. They said they were going to come do a pickup. Pardon me. Don't need to burp on you. So it will go. These will go out tomorrow. All right, let me bring our qualifier up. We're going to pull one of iBreaks out. Here we go. All right, we got an 8. That is a 2, folks. Just showing now. Let's fucking look into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times, everybody. Well, iBreak and the Seacon are the ones who are going to take that. That is going to be qualifiers 9 and 10. We're only 5 boxes into our series, folks. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook. Yeah, all have a good one. Bobby Two Pops breaks 8 Central.